Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Arlo smart notifications and stop subscription charges, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Arlo smart notifications, begin by opening the Arlo app on your smartphone. Log into your Arlo account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the settings menu, select Smart Notifications. You will see a toggle switch for smart notifications. Switch the toggle to the off position to disable notifications. Next, exit the Smart Notifications section to return to the main settings menu. Now, find the subscription option and select it. This will show you your current subscription plan. To stop the subscription charges, look for the option to manage your subscription. Choose the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification regarding the cancellation. Ensure that you check your email for confirmation of the cancellation as well. After cancellation, revisit the subscriptions section to verify that your plan is no longer active. To uninstall the Arlo app completely, go to your device's settings. Select Apps and find Arlo in the list of installed applications. Tap on Arlo and choose the Uninstall option. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. After you uninstall the app, check if any remaining data needs to be cleared from your device. You can do this by going back to the Apps section and selecting Storage under the Arlo app. Choose the option to clear cache and data if available. This ensures that all traces of the app and its notifications are removed from your device. Finally, restart your device to ensure that all changes take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.